Is this the real deal or not the real deal? Hello everyone, welcome to ProTech Station. It's great to see you all. Today I am very excited to share to you all I got the SanDisk Ultra A1 400GB micro SD card. And I purchased this from the Amazon SanDisk store for more than 50% off. By the way, I'll be leaving links on the bottom of the description of this item. If you're interested, curious, or would like to learn more, feel free to check it out. So I have compared the price of this SanDisk micro SD card compared to a retail store like Best Buy and stuff. And the price difference is more than 50% or maybe 60 to 75% off the original price. And the overall Amazon rating for this SanDisk micro SD card is more than 4.5 stars. And upon glancing the feedback, they have more than 500,000 feedback and the average rating is around 4.5 plus for this entire listing. So which give me a very confident that this is a really good purchase. But when I scroll through the feedback, I do see a lot of 5-star rating of this item, and also once in a while I do see a 1-star rating of this item. And the 1-star rating of this micro SD card, most of them say it's fake. It doesn't have the size that it was advertised or the speed and stuff like that. But those are pretty rare and most of the feedbacks are 5-star good rating. But some of the 1-star rating does state that this item is fake, so which made me very curious about this super deal, more than 50% off of retail price. So I went ahead and purchased one and just to test it out and see how does it compare to the feedback of the people that state that this is not the real deal. By the way, if you like this video so far, can you do me a favor and please help me smash that like button? That really helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you anything. By the way, I am not an expert of how to identify a legit, authentic micro SD card from SanDisk, but based on the advertised storage and the speed of the micro SD card, I will try to probably download a couple applications to run some tests to see, first of all, does it have 400 gigabytes of storage, and also the transfer rate of this micro SD, is it similar to what it is advertised? To me, as long as it can hold up to 400 gigabytes and the right data speed is what it is similar to what it states, then I am a very happy camper because I saved more than 50% of this purchase. And I'm going to show you a little quick view of this particular specific Amazon listing micro SD card from SanDisk. And I also downloaded an application to run a test to see if this micro SD card has the capacity of what is advertised and also the speed. And I also will physically transfer up to 400 gigabytes of videos and photos onto the card and see if it's able to load the pictures correctly, videos, does it run smoothly, does it really actually hold near 400 gigabytes. As long as I can test and find the proof of that, then this will be the real deal. So let's get going. So the software that I use to verify the actual real storage capacity of the micro SD card is called H2TestW. After over 5 hours of intensive writing tests on the micro SD card, this is the result. The software shows that the micro SD card actually have around 375 gigabytes of storage, and the writing speed shows around 30 megabytes per second because my laptop card reader speed is very slow, so it shows around 30 megabytes per second. If you have the correct hardware, it can go up 60 to 70 megabytes per second. This is what it shows on my laptop, and it shows that it has 366 gigabytes left on the storage. Even though it has a 400 gigabyte storage, 366 is pretty close to what it's advertised. This is usually how the system reads the available memory. 400 gigabytes, you don't get 400 gigabytes. 128, you don't get 128, so that's pretty normal. I have also filled the entire card with my pictures and video files, and every single pictures and files of videos play back really nice and smooth, so there are no corruptions or whatsoever. This card is really legit, can hold all its advertised capacity. I will open a test video file and let you see the playback. It's really nice and smooth. As you can see, there's no jittering, everything is nice and smooth. This is actually a 4K recording that I put on my camera to film, and it's also very smooth as well. This card is fully capable of recording 4K footage. As you can see, it's really nice and smooth. So to wrap this up, this microSD card, after all the intensive tests that I run to see if it has 400 gigabytes and the right speed, does it has advertised right speed of this microSD card, and the final verdict is yes, this microSD card is legit. Well, in terms of storing what is advertised and similar write and transfer speed of the advertised specification of this microSD card. If you like the video, please feel free to share this video to families and friends, which I very greatly appreciate. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Links will be on the bottom of the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Is this the real deal or not the real deal?
Oh, come on.